Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02257 error in Oracle database 12c. So what I am doing, I have logged in as a common user called c#score. So make sure that you have enough permission to execute all the SQL queries. Okay, what I am going to do, I am going to create one huge table. Okay, I am going to create one huge table called Vista2. It contains around 36 columns. Okay, it contains around 36 columns, and I have created one primary key with the combination of 36 columns. You can see that ORA-02257 maximum number of columns exceeded, which means that, see here, primary key is a combination of 35 columns here. Okay, so I have created one primary key which is a combination of 35 columns. So this 35 columns is exceeded one. Okay, what I am doing, I am corrected the query. Now I am copy paste the corrected query here. Okay, now I have copied the corrected query here. Here what I did, primary key column I combined 32 columns. So I have combined 32 columns. Let me execute the query now. Yes, you can see the table has got created. So which means the combination of primary key columns should be 32 columns. More than that means this ORA-02257 maximum number of columns exceeded error will be thrown. So make sure that when you create a primary key, combinations of column is correct. Okay.